Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how to check your rewards points and see how many rewards points you happen to have. So why would you want to do this as I'm logging in here to my virtual office? Why would you want to do that? Well, first of all, you want to know how much free product you're going to be able to get. So if you don't know about the Essential Rewards program through Young Living, you need to talk to your enroller, your sponsor, or somebody that you possibly signed up with, or you're always welcome to ask me and I will help you out with that. So once you log into your virtual office, this is the dashboard summary page, and a lot of what you ever need to know is all right here, right on this dashboard. Now, of course, this is probably going to change here soon as Young Living rolls out their new website. They've got new stuff coming, so this might be null and void at the time that you watch this, but for right now, this is what it looks like. And so right here, you can see you've got all your areas in which you can go shopping, but right here are the rewards points. So let's go into details about that. So I'm currently earning at the rate of 25%. So right now I have the equivalent of $34.99 in which I could buy things for or buy things with, basically free, because I'm on Essential Rewards. I've been on Essential Rewards, you can see here, for 37 months. Yes, 3 whole years, and no regret. Actually, the only regret that I have is that I didn't start sooner. Back when I signed on with Young Living, you couldn't become an Essential Rewards member with your first purchase, so you had to choose that afterwards, and now you can do it with your first purchase. But anyway, I could have started from the very get-go of earning all these points for free product, but I dragged my heels and I swore that I didn't have enough money in my budget, which, yeah, we made money, or we made our budget work around that. And so now I get way more free products than I really do spend, because I also make a little bit of compensation that covers my products, but that's another video for another time. Anyway, you can see right now, you can check your rewards points right here, or you can also check it here on the side. I have $34.99 worth of points expiring by October of next year. And so that way I just need to make sure that I spend that. Do know that you can save up to points up to 375 points and spend it all in 1 month. You would just need to pay for shipping. Now, yes, Young Living has free shipping when you purchase up to 100 PV, but when you're using your points, that's like saying, can you throw in free shipping on top of the fact that I'm getting free product from you? So if you want to spend 100 PV on top of getting $375 basically worth of free product, you can do that together, and then also get free shipping. That would be an awesome way to do that. But they are not going to let you spend $100 worth of free product and then also expect to get free shipping on top. So do know that. You can also check right here your points history. What have I spent my points on in the last however many months that I've had points? They also have a video here on learning more about your rewards points. So if you have any questions after this video, you could go there and probably have most of them answered. You start at 10%. So if I were to sign on for the very first time with Essential Rewards today, I would get 10% back of whatever it is that I'm purchasing for my one Essential Rewards points order. So let's make that very clear. When you make an Essential Rewards points order, you want to put as much in that order that you're going to possibly use. Now, of course, Young Living always teases us. They have What's New Wednesdays that pop up during the month, and they have other things that sometimes you cannot buy on Essential Rewards because maybe it just came back in stock. Maybe it's a brand new product. Maybe all of these other things. So there are some things you cannot earn points on. That's just the way it is. There's also some things that you cannot spend points on either. So for example, new product that just came back. Are you noticing a trend here? Diffusers, you cannot spend points currently on diffusers, or I believe CBD. So there are just some restrictions, but I mean, Young Living has over 700 different products. I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to find something to spend your points on, whether it's oils, maybe some body care items, maybe it's your Ningxia, Thieves, there's all different kinds of stuff. So anyway, I know some people who get really irritated because the one thing that they want to spend their points on, or the one thing that they had their mind set on that they were going to get for free, they can't get for free. And I'm sorry. I wish I could help you with that, but you're also getting it for free. So I don't know. I think there's just so much that Young Living is very generous and gracious about that I have a really hard time saying I'm sorry because they do just give so much for free. Anyway, that being said, there's more information here for you. After 3 months, I was talking about percents. I'm sorry, I squirreled. After 3 months, you actually double that, right? At your 4th month, you start earning back at a rate of 20%. So you go from 10% to 20%. And then 25% after you've been on it for a couple years. So very quickly it adds up. Also with Essential Rewards, you get free products or free oil at 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months, and every 12 months thereafter. So, I mean, I know this video was mostly supposed to be more about points, but that's where you are able to look at where your points are located, how many you have. And in another video, I talked about how you spend points in the shop section. You do not spend your points with your monthly order because that's where you earn points. You don't earn points and spend points in the same spot. So I hope that was helpful for you. I hope that answers maybe some of your questions. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me or the person that enrolled or sponsored you, or also Young Living themselves. They're great. They're in the customer service section and they are more than happy to help you. So until next time, we will see you later.